everyone, welcome back to my channel. From the title you guys know today is an unboxing video. However, this is not a true unboxing. I already went through twice. So in this video I would like to talk about how to choose the right size for can this piece be resizing. So without further ado, let's jump into it. While I'm talking, I also will insert some clip and to show you real unboxing when I received it. Well, here is the one. This is obviously from Cartier. It is my wish list. It will be 2 years already. Finally, I got it. And when I received this this item, I also received the clean kit from my SA, and she sent it to me. Also the pouch. The item is right here, and here is the box. So this is the one, and if you guys watch my shopping vlog, you see I was in the Cartier to try on this piece. I got an appointment and I went to the store. I spent 1.5 hours to try on this piece for the size. So in today's video, I will talk about what did I go through when I choose this piece, and I also want to tell you some information if you want to change the size, how much gonna be charged. So if you're interested, please keep watching. This is the Cartier Just Crew bracelets in the regular size, and the one I have it is size 15. So I went to the Cartier, I tried it, and I tried the small size, which they don't have the regular, they have the diamond, but it wasn't my size. It's size 17. I really love the small size. So I talked to my SA, I probably will get the small size with the diamond as well. However, I told her my concern because the small size, you guys know, the put on and take off is really like a twist the bracelets. I kind of afraid, but she said don't be afraid, really nothing happened, and if you really bend it, she did see people really bend it, and she said that it's a fixing within 2 minutes, and it's, you know, that's it. So it's really nothing to worry about it. So I feel much comfortable. So I will definitely add the small size with the diamond. That day I really want to get the regular size without the diamond. I also tried the regular size with diamond. Of course, it's so stunning, but price tag is too much. I'd rather to get this piece regular without the diamond, and I will get another one, the small size with diamond. So I'm gonna put it on in my wrist. You will see how the size it goes. So this is the size 15. My love bracelet is a size 16, so she immediately picked the size 15. So here is the room, you know, it's extra room for the size 15, and she told me the size 15 is perfect. But for some reason that day, I think my wrist is a little bit swollen, just like my finger. I always get swollen, so that's why I rarely buy the ring, because it's very difficult to choose the right size. That day it was really tough. I said no, this size 15 doesn't work, so I want to try size 16. So she did give me try the size 16. Yes, a lot more comfortable, a lot more room. So I said, yeah, size 16 I feel so much comfortable. But she's like, are you sure? Like, yes, I'm sure. And she said, take time, put them together. So you saw I put the size 16 and the size 15 together. And of course, I went through like back and forth in 1.5 hours. Couldn't really decide it. I also showed my friend, she also my sabi, and I told her, do you feel like the size 15 is too tight? And she also agreed with me. So I feel like more confidence, like yes, I should go for the size up. But still, you know, I still trying. After that, the last minute, then I said, okay, I'm decided I'm gonna get the size 16. So that day, I paid the payments, but I didn't bring the bracelets with me because I still need to go to a lot of places. So I don't want to carry this bag with me. And right now the situation, you guys know, I live in a big city. It's not very safe, you know. So I don't bring. I instead said, please just send it to me, or ship to me. Therefore, she sent it to me. I got the box next day. And when I wear that, it's like a totally different size. I was thinking, oh my goodness, she picked a long size. She probably gave me the 17. When I wear that, you can see the picture, how big it is. And right away, you know, I look at it. No, it is size 16. What is wrong? You know, I was totally confused. What is wrong? You know, that day I feel it's much smaller. Why today when I got this bracelet, it's become so big? And I text her, I need to exchange again. Oh my goodness, it's just like crazy. So finally, last Thursday, I got it. And this is the size. I go back to my size 15, which I think I should go for the size 15. And they look perfect. And if I show you in here, you can see this is the loom. Still have a lot of loom. My love bracelets, it is 16, so this one is a 15. Okay, so this is the thing. The other thing I want to tell you guys in this video now, in case you really bought the wrong size, then you want to resizing. Does Cartier provide the service? I asked my SA. I was so concerned. You know, that time I want to pick the size 15. What if one day I'm gaining like 20 pounds suddenly? And she told me yes, they do have this type of service. This bracelets and even the love bracelets they can do. But how much they gonna charge? You're not gonna believe how much they gonna charge for enlarge the bracelets. 60% of the retail price. So if the Justin Crew one day become tight, if I want to resize, I'm gonna pay $4,500 for today's price. So this bracelets increase every single year. So by that time, you know, you can imagine who will do that. So in this video, I really wanted to tell you, if you try to buy those bracelets, those expensive bracelets from Cartier, try many times. Make sure you don't get the size wrong. The worst case, I don't think you will ask them to resize. The worst case, you sell it and then you repurchase it. But still, you have to think, jewelry, it may be better than the handbag, but you also will lose a lot of money if you sell the jewelry. So this you need to keep in mind, at least a couple $100 to $1,000, you know you're gonna lose some money. So that's why in this video try to tell you a good SA. They will give you time, be patient, try many times to make sure before your purchase. Once you purchase wrong, then you still have 30 days to exchange. Just don't make a mistake. You know, once you make a mistake, you really lost money. So whether you sell or you resizing, it costs a lot. And so yeah, that's all about today's video. I really wanted to share with you. My next video is going to talk about the 5 most practical and the best value pieces from Cartier. If you guys want me to do something else, also please leave a comment below. If you just start to collect the Cartier jewelry, I think that video will help you. If you haven't subscribed on my channel, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of reviews, comparison video. I hope my channel is really informative. And I hope my channel also can help you when you decide to purchase luxury items. So that's all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.